cabbage with added fresh sweetness and an amazing salad dressing. Today on Grandma Bessie's house, we are starting the new year right and making a healthy New Year's Day cabbage salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Start by making the salad dressing. To a blender, add olive oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, and honey. Blend until emulsified, about 1 minute. Take a second to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other New Year's Day recipes. If you enjoy our meals, subscribe below and click on notifications so you will not miss any new recipes. While blending, mince garlic, also peel and mince fresh ginger. Add half of the garlic to the salad dressing. Add half of the ginger too. Blend 30 seconds and transfer salad dressing to a jar. Add the remaining garlic and ginger. Seal the jar and shake until combined. What do you eat to celebrate the new year? Leave your response in the comments below the video. It's time to make the salad. Slice cabbage in half and remove the core. Slice the cabbage and place cabbage into a large bowl. Slice a lemon in half and squeeze its juice into a separate bowl. Core the apple and slice the apple into the shape of matchsticks. Coat apple slices with lemon juice and add them to the salad. Slice the ends from a cucumber. Slice the cucumber into the shape of matchsticks. Remove the soft parts of the seeds and add cucumbers to the salad. Slice half of a red onion and add slices to the salad. Remove the stem and seeds from a bell pepper. Slice the bell pepper and add bell pepper to the salad. Peel carrot and shred it. You know what to do. Slice green onions. Place them into the salad along with golden raisins. If you are enjoying this simple salad recipe, like and share it. Also subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Gently toss salad until fully combined. Pour salad dressing over the salad, season with salt and pepper, and toss until fully coated. Yep, starting the new year right. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.